Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Oppo Find X3 Lite. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones and simply click on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Now choose Open. And over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose receive on Oppo and send on this Oppo smartphone. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only, for example, this one photo. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Oppo Find X3 Lite, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and tap on receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, I can see that my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!